Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about buckwheat, and I have some suggested food and flavor combinations that are known to work well with buckwheat. So if you're looking for some ideas, something a little different to do with buckwheat, hopefully these specific ideas will help you out. How about combining buckwheat with apples and maple syrup? That sounds like a nice breakfast to me. How about buckwheat with bananas and walnuts? Another breakfast. Buckwheat with basil, mushrooms, and tomatoes. Side dish there. Buckwheat with blueberries, cinnamon, ginger, and vanilla. Or buckwheat with carrots and mushrooms. How about buckwheat with eggs, garlic, and thyme? Buckwheat with feta cheese and parsley. Buckwheat with garlic, mushrooms, and onions. Buckwheat with garlic, parsley, and soy sauce. Buckwheat with lemon, olive oil, parsley, and scallions. Buckwheat with mushrooms, scallions, and sesame oil. Or buckwheat with potatoes and thyme. I do hope this helps you out and gives you some new ideas. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.